I want to show you how to reset your iPhone to the factory setting. Basically the exact same way it came out of the box. If you want to sell your phone, give it to someone, or if you just have some issues and want to start over, this is how you reset your iPhone. The very first step is you want to go to the settings app of your phone right here. And before we actually erase it, we want to make sure we back this up to iCloud. So just in case we make a mistake and we decide we want all that information back, we could still do that. So let's do that first. Let's go to the top and you should see your name right on top. Click on that. Now on this page, you want to click on iCloud right here. And if you scroll down, you'll see this option called iCloud Backup. Go to that. And you want to go ahead and press back up now. So this makes sure everything on this phone is backed up. If you don't care about backing it up, you don't have to do this step, but I highly recommend you just press back up now and it will back it up. So if you bring in another iPhone nearby, you could actually restore it from this iCloud backup. So that's the very first step. And then I'm going to show you actually how to erase it in the next step. So let this finish up. Now let's go to the next step. So I'm going to come all the way back to the home page and we'll go to settings from the beginning again. And under the main settings page, so go back if you need to get back to the main settings page, go to general right here. And then just go to the very bottom of the general page. You'll see transfer and reset iPhone. Click on that right here. And it's going to bring you to this page where you could erase all content and setting. This is the one you want. This is the one that's going to reset your entire iPhone. Click that. And at this point, my iPhone is backed up. So if I erase everything, this 130 gigabytes of apps, data, photos, all that is going to get erased from this iPhone. Okay, and it will deactivate it from finding my iPhone. It will actually do all those steps for me in this one step. Before we had to do additional things, we don't have to do that nowadays. So I'm going to press continue here and press erase iPhone. And it is telling you this cannot be undone. So make sure you do want to do that. Make sure you do have that backup and press erase iPhone. It's going to ask for the passcode of this phone. You do have to have that to reset it. And even if you haven't backed it up, it will most likely try to do that for you here. Upload data to iCloud. You can press skip, but again, I highly recommend you let that upload take place and then it'll take you to the next page. It's going to ask you to type in your Apple ID passcode. So you do have to know that as well. So you have to have the passcode of the phone and your Apple ID password in order to be able to turn that off. It's not going to let you go to the next step if you don't have that information. Now, there is a chance you're also going to see this page to sign you out of iCloud. So in this case, I'm going to start that process of security delay. But in some cases, you might not see this at all. But I'll press that and I'll press done here. And if you get that message, go back to settings and search for Find My. And right here in your Apple accounts, you could actually turn off Find My from here. Now, it's going to be disabled for an hour. That's a security thing they have. But once that is done, you come on here and you turn that off and it will let you reset your iPhone. Okay, now once it is reset, you should see this welcome screen here. So if I unlock my phone, this should be the first page that you see. Now you don't want to select anything and you don't want to continue. So you could actually put your phone to sleep, or if you just press this button right here and the volume up at the same time for 2 seconds, you'll get that. You could just slide this over and then the phone is fully turned off. You could put it back in the box and get rid of it or give it to anyone else that you want.